Now the third important adjustment entry. The first two adjustment entry were pertaining to our expenses. Now we will take up the income. So the topic is accrued income. What does accrued income actually mean? Accrued income is the income earned during the accounting period but not yet received. See, say I have earned some commission of rupees 5,000, but I received only 4,500. So my accrued income will be 500. So writing here, income earned but not yet received. Okay, let's go to the question. Interest on investment received during the accounting year 50,000. What I have received in cash or through bank is 50,000. Interest accrued but not yet received 5,000. Actually I have earned this. This amount is also earned but I have not yet received it. Right? So what will be the nature of accrued income? Accrued income has to be my asset. Has to be my asset because I should have received it in the current financial year, but I am still not receiving it. So I will receive it in future. So one thing is clear, that accrued income is my asset. Now what will be the entry for this interest on investment? Accrued interest account debit. Account debit by 5,000 to interest received account. $5,000. Now why have I debited accrued interest? As I know that accrued interest or accrued income is my asset, and assets always have a debit balance. So accrued interest needs to be debited to interest received. The interest received is actually my income, and if I say that I have received 50,000, this is my income, this is not a true picture. Actually I have earned 50,000 plus 5,000 during the year. So my total income pertaining to this year is 55,000. I need to do the entry with 55,000 in profit and loss account and not just by 50,000. So I need to credit my incomes, or revenues are always credited. So I need to credit the balance 5,000 so that it shows a true picture of my financial position. So putting it into your profit and loss account, by income is always written as by interest 50,000 I have already received. Okay, and 5,000 pertaining to this year I have still not yet received. So this is my accrued income, but it belongs to this financial year. So I will add it up here, or I will write add accrued interest. And I will bring out 55,000 in the outer column. Had I not considered this 5,000, my profit will decrease by 5,000 because I have a revenue of 5,000 in my hand, but I am not crediting it to P&L account. So my profit will ultimately decrease by 5,000. So to show a true picture, I add this accrued interest here because it is earned during this accounting year, just that it is not yet received. 55,000 taken in the outer column, and in the asset side, in the current assets, I will say accrued interest. $5,000. I will receive it in near future. So the last entry is now pending. Let's go to that.